How to use the Google Authenticator with Binance. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Google Authenticator with the Binance. So first of all, you need to open your Binance application. So go to your Binance application first of all. Make sure you have installed and logged into your account. So when you open your Binance application, you will see a screen like this. Now what you need to do is go back to home page again. Go on the top left side where is your profile. Make sure your account is also verified before this. So after you go on your profile, scroll down and tap on more services. Tap on the very security option. After you tap on the security option, now for the Google Authenticator, what you need to do is you can protect your account by any of these methods right here. But you want to turn the Google Authenticator, then you must need to go to the email verification. Make sure you send a code to your email and you can simply put the passkeys and other authenticator app as well. Tap on the authenticator app. Now you can simply enable it. Now you need to send the verification code. To send the verification code, the 4-digit verification code has already been sent on your email, which you just need to tap here, and after doing that the verification code will be submitted here, and then you can simply open your authenticator app from here. So you can also have other options like biometrics and password, and also the option of pay pin and phone number. You can add any one of it as well. So yes, that's how we can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.